Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 8.3 question number 1. Tell what is the profit or loss in the following transactions. Also find profit percent or loss percent in each case. Number A. Gardening shares bought for rupees 250 and sold for rupees 325. A refrigerator bought for rupees 12,000 and sold at rupees 13,500. A cupboard bought rupees 2,500 and sold at rupees 3,000. A skirt bought for rupees 250 and sold at rupees 150. Let us find. Now question number 1a. What is given you see here? That is given Curtis says bought, that is cost price. Cost price is equal to rupees. Cost price is equal to rupees 250. 250. Selling price. SP or selling price is equal to rupees 325. Since selling price is greater than cost price, since selling price is greater than cost price, therefore there is a profit. Therefore profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. That is, selling price is 325 minus 250. That is 325 minus 250. If we subtract it, that is 5, that is 7, 75. That is equal to rupees 75, equal to rupees 75. Right? Therefore, we find the profit percent. Now we can find the profit percent as profit. Profit percent is equal to profit by cost price into 100%. What is the profit? Profit is rupees 75. It's 75. But what is the cost price? Cost price is rupees 250. 250 into 100%. 100%. Right? There is 75 by 250 into 100%. Now this 0 will be cut, this 0 and this 0. If we cut by 5, 5 2s are 10 and 5 5 is 25. If we cut this one, 5 is 5, 5 1 is 5, 5 5 is 25. 15 into 2, that is 30%. Their profit is 30%. Right? Therefore, we find the profit as 30%. Right? Therefore, we can write that profit is equal to profit is equal to 30%. Right? This is the solution of question number A. Let's solve question number B. A refrigerator bought for rupees 12,000 and sold at rupees 13,000 500. Next, we'll do question number B. Now here see question number B is here. What is given in cost price? The cost price is equal to rupees 12,000. Cost price is equal to rupees 12,000. And selling price is equal to rupees 13,500. Since selling price is greater than cost price, therefore there is a profit. The profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. What is the selling price? Selling price is rupees 13,500 minus 12,000. We subtract this one, that is 13,500 minus 12,000, and we are getting 0, 0, 5, 2, 1, 1500. That you are getting rupees 1500. 1, 5, 0, 0, right? Now you have to find the profit percent. The profit percent you can find as profit percent as profit by CP by cost price into 100%. Therefore, what is the profit? Profit is here is 1500. That is 1500. What is the cost price? Cost price is 12,000 by 12,000 into 100%. Right? You see, this 0 will cut this 0, this 0, and this 0. And we cut this one, this 0 and this 0 also. Right? This we are getting 150 by 12. Right? We are getting now if we divide 150 by 12, that is if we divide by 2, that is 2 6 is 12. You divide by 2, that is 2 7 is 14, 10 2 5 is 10. Now you divide 75 by 6. If we divide 75 by 6, we are getting 75 divided by 6. That is 6 1 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. 5 15. That is 15. We are getting 15. 2 6 is 12. 5 minus 2 is 3. Right? Point 0. 6 5 is 30. 6 5 is 30. Right? That is we are getting 12.5%. Right? The 12.5% is equal to 12.5%. Therefore, right, profit is equal to 12.5%. 12.5%. That is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Now we shall Solve question number C. Question number C is, here you see, question number C is, question number C, a cupboard, question number C, a cupboard bought for rupees 2500 and sold at rupees 3000, right? Therefore, cost price is equal to rupees, cost price is equal to rupees 2500, selling price is equal to rupees, selling price is equal to rupees 3000. Since selling price is greater than cost price, therefore there is a profit, and profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. What is selling price? Selling price is rupees 3000, and cost price is rupees 2500. We subtract this one, 3000 minus 2500, then we are getting 0, 0, 5, 500. That is, profit is rupees 500. Profit is rupees 500. Now, if we find profit percent, then profit percent is equal to profit percent profit percent profit by cost price into 100%, right? We find what is the profit. Profit is rupees 500. What is the cost price? Cost price is 2500 into 100%. Right? Now this 0 and this 0, this 0 and this 0, right? Now you cut it by 5, that is 5 5 is 25, 5 1 is 5, 0 0, and 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 0, that comes to 20%. Therefore, we can write profit is equal to 20%. Profit is equal to 20%. Right? Now we solve question number D. Question number D, here you see, is question number D is question number D. Now we'll solve question number D. Question number D is now question D. Skirt bought for rupees 250 and sold at rupees 150. Question number D. Question number D is cost price is equal to rupees 250. Selling price is equal to rupees 150. Since cost price is greater than selling price, therefore there is a loss, and loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. What is the cost price? Cost price is rupees 250, 250 minus 150. We subtract this one, 250 minus 150, then you are getting 0, 0, 1, 100. That you are getting loss of rupees 100. Now we'll find loss percent is equal to loss divided by cost price into 100%. I mean, what is the loss? Loss is rupees 100. And what is the cost price? Cost price is 250. 250 into 100%. Now this 0 will cut, right? Now 5 2 is 10 and 5 5 is 25. That is 5 and 5, 5 2 is 10, 0. 20 to 2, that is 40%. That is 40%. Therefore, loss is equal to 40%. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.